Hello friends, my name is Tosif Khan from ICT branch Marwadi University. My topic name is amplitude modulation. Understanding the modulation in communication. The definition and purpose. Modulation is essential for effective long distance transmission, allowing efficient use of antennas while reducing noise interference in communication systems. Understanding amplitude modulation basics. Varying carrier signal amplitude. Amplitude modulation changes the amplitude of a high frequency carrier signal based on the message signal while keeping frequency and phase constant. Components of AM signal. Carrier signal. The carrier signal is a high frequency wave that serves as the base for modulating the information signal in AM transmission. Message signal. Message or baseband signal is the low frequency input that contains the information to be transmitted via amplitude modulation. Modulated signal. The modulated signal is the output of the modulation process where carrier amplitude varies according to the message signal's amplitude. Time domain analysis of amplitude modulation. Understanding the waveform. The diagram illustrates the message, carrier, and AM output waveforms, highlighting how the amplitude of the carrier signal varies in accordance with the message signal. The mathematical expression of AM is carrier signal. The carrier signal is represented as Ct is equals to AC sin 2 pi f Ct, defining its amplitude and frequency in the modulation process. Message signal. The message signal is expressed as m of t is equals to am sin 2 pi f mt, indicating its amplitude and frequency that influence the modulation characteristics. Frequency domain representation of AM signal. Carrier and sidebands explained. The frequency domain representation of AM signals includes the carrier frequency and upper and lower sidebands, illustrating signal characteristic effectively. Bandwidth requirement for AM. Formula overview. The AM bandwidth is calculated as AM bandwidth is equals to 2 multiplied by maximum modulating frequency, ensuring efficient use of the radio spectrum. Example calculation is for maximum modulating frequency of 5 kHz, the bandwidth would be 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10 kHz. Understanding modulation index and its impacts. The modulation index is the ratio of a message amplitude to carrier amplitude affecting signal clarity and distortion level. Advantages and disadvantages. Simplicity. Amplitude modulation is straightforward to implement, making it a popular choice for various communication systems and applications. Cost effectiveness. AM receives are generally low frequency, making this technology accessible for widespread use in both commercial and personal settings. Long distance communication. AM is effective for long distance radio transmission, allowing signals to travel over great distances while minimal degradation. Applications of AM radio. Broadcasting is widely used for transmitting news, talk shows, and music across long distances, allowing accessibility to many listeners. Aviation. In aviation, AM is crucial for aircraft communication, providing clear channels for pilots and air traffic control during flights and emergencies. Two-way radio. It utilizes AM for secure and reliable communication in varying environments such as emergency services and industrial applications. Summary of AM. Amplitude modulation varies the amplitude of the carrier signal based on the message signal. Time domain envelope of the AM signal allows the shape of the message signal. Frequency domain represents includes the carrier frequency along the upper and lower side bands. Thank you.